Hello everyone, I am Isaac Owari, the founder and CEO of Nokade Guitars, and I'm excited to welcome you to this web design training. Congratulations on taking the first step towards mastering web design, a skill that will open countless doors in today's digital world. In this training, I will cover the essential aspect of building a website, starting with something exciting: how to get a domain and hosting for free. I mean free domain and hosting. This will be the foundation of your web design journey, which will allow you to establish your online presence and then also showcase your creativity. So my goal is to empower you with the skills and then confidence to create websites that stand out. So I encourage you to ask questions, experiment what we will be learning, and then make the most of this learning opportunity. It's not easy to get this kind of opportunity for free, but I'm going to walk you through how to get all this essential training free of charge. Now, before we start, we have to get the domain. So I'm going to teach you how to get free domain. Now, when someone said domain, what is domain? How are you going to explain to the person a domain is? So a domain is the unique name of your website that when people type into their browser, they can visit your site. Okay, let's think of it like your home address. But instead of leading to your house, this one, it will lead you to your website. So example of a domain is nokadeguitars.com or nokadeguitarsYZ or www.google.com. So www.nokadeguitars.com, www.nokadeguitarsYZ, www.google.com. So the google.com or the nokadeguitar.com is the domain, right? Okay, so the domain is the identity of your website on the internet, and it will help people to find you very easily. And without a domain, visitors wouldn't know where to go. Okay, so that is the domain. Now, what is the hosting that we are talking of? The hosting. So the hosting is the services that stores, or the service that stores your website and then makes it accessible online. So let's think of it like renting a space on the internet where all the files, image, and then content of your website are kept. Good. So if the domain is your website address, then the hosting is like the land or the building where your website lives. I hope you are getting me. So every time someone visits your domain, hosting essentials that can see or that they can see your site by delivering all the content from the server to the browser. So when someone visits your domain, the hosting will ensure that they can see your site by delivering all the content from the server to their browser. That is it. So let me explain it better for your understanding. Let's imagine you are opening a shop, right? So the domain is the shop name of the street. Like let's say I will say Noka store or Isaac store or Warren store, right? And then the hosting is the building or the space where all the products, meaning your website content, are stored and displayed for customers to do what? To see. Good. So by the end of this lesson, we will learn how to get both the domain and hosting for free, so you can start building your own website. Please let me know if you need any further clarification or adjustments. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, and then comment, so that it will help us to improve what we are doing. Now let's get started on this rewarding journey together. Once again, I welcome you all on board. So the name of the website that we are going to use to get our free hosting is infinityfree.com. I'll put the link on the video, under the video description here, so you can click on it to access it. infinityfree.com. So when it opens, click on register now. And then you enter your details, your email address, password. Then you confirm your password. Then you check on this that you agree with the terms and condition. Okay. And then you click on sign up. Right. Entering your details here, make sure this one is successfully checked, and then you click on sign up. So after signing up, an email will be sent to you. When you sign up, an email will be sent to you. Make sure you click on it to confirm your email address, right? Okay. And then after confirmation, it will send you to this side for you to create your domain. Okay, so click on create account, and then you scroll down. Since we are creating it for free, so we select the first one, and then you click on create now. Make sure you confirm that you are a human. So you click on the confirmation sign over on it to confirm that you are a human. So you confirm you are not a robot. Okay. And then here you enter your domain name. You enter your domain name here. So this is my website name, Noka Web Training. Let me do it that, Noka Web Training. Use small letters. Okay, Noka Web Training. And then here the domain extension, you can select whatever you want. You select any of them. I'm going for this one. Good. This is a subdomain. This is what we call subdomain, because we are getting it for free, so they will not allow you to create a permanent domain. So this is a subdomain, right? Okay, so after entering your domain name, then you click on check availability. So you have to check whether the domain is not taken by someone or is available for you. So click on check availability. Okay, so it's available for you to use this domain. So when you scroll down to this side, select this one and then click on I approve, and then click on create account. So it will start creating your account. So you see we are setting up your hosting account. So let's wait. So now that we have done with this, the next step that we are going to look at is to get a free SSL certificate. So we have created our account, so click on free SSL certificate. Okay, so when you open, they will tell you no SSL certificate found, right? Okay, so click on new SSL certificate. You click on that. So you enter your domain name here, the one that you just created. So you enter it here. Okay, and then you click on create or order, create order. So you see that I say your SSL certificate, SSL order has been created. Please see below for the next step. So when you scroll down, you see not ready. So you have to wait for some minutes, and then you refresh the page, and it will be able to create for you. So let's wait for some minutes and come back. So welcome back. So after refreshing it, you scroll down and then you check whether it's ready. So you see here it's ready. Sometimes when you refresh it, after waiting for some times and then you refresh it, still it will say not ready. There's one thing that you can also do. You can delete it. You delete the certificate order, and then you enter your domain name again. You create another one, and then you order again, and now it will work, right? Okay, so after checking that is ready, click on request certificate. So you click on this one to request the certificate. So you refresh it and then you wait for it to verify them for you. So you see, let's wait and then see. It will finish loading very soon. So it's loading. Okay, so now our SSL certificate has been created for us, or it has been installed for us. Okay, so you see that it say not found. So click on installed SSL certificate automatically. So click on it. So when you refresh it, you see it's active. Good. Now the next step is to install WordPress on our dashboard. And how do we install WordPress? It's very simple. Let's go to account. So click on account. And then here you see this one. Click on it. Click on this one. and then you click on control panel. Click on control panel. And it will redirect you to the control panel page. So when it opens, scroll down so you get to softwares. Okay, and then under software you see Softaculous app installer. You click on that one. Click on it. Okay, so we are going to install the WordPress. So click on install here. This is the WordPress. We have a lot of applications here, but we are going to use WordPress to design our website. So click on WordPress. And then here let's change this one to HTTPS, right? And this is our domain name. This is the domain name. We only have one domain here, so this is the domain name here. Okay, and then you scroll down and then change your site name. So let me give it let me name it Knockout Digital's web training. Knockout Digital's web training. And then the description, you give it a description. Let me see. Learn from the best. Okay, or you can give it any name that you want. And then here under the domain you give it a name. I always use admin for my domain name, or my admin name, or the username. I always use what admin. And then here you can change the password by clicking on this to change the password for you. So the one that you like, make sure you copy it so that you don't forget it. The one that you like is what you use, right? Okay, so let me hide it and then change it once again. Make sure you don't forget your password and then your username, so that anytime you log in you will be able to access it. After that, scroll down and then click on install. Click on install, and within some minutes your WordPress will be installed for you to use. So let's wait for the installation of the WordPress, which is ongoing. Good, so it's successfully installed. Say congratulations, the software was installed successfully, right? Okay, now if you want to visit your website, you click on this one, and then if you want to go to your dashboard, this is what you use. So let's click on the website. If you want to visit the website, let's click on this. Okay, so this is our website, meaning when someone visits your website, this is what the person will see, right? This is live. You can someone can access it. So you do that. This is the website. So Noka Digital's web training. Okay, right. And then if you want to visit your dashboard, you click on this one. So click on this. So this is our dashboard. After the installation, this is what you see first, right? Okay, so we have successfully learned how to install how to create a domain, get SS certificates, and then how to download WordPress on our dashboard, and we are here. So this is what we are going to use to create our website. So now that we have finished creating our install our WordPress, now let's clear the dashboard here. Let's clean it. So you click on screen option and then uncheck all this, uncheck all of them. Good. And then you see your dashboard has been cleaned successfully. Now the other things that we can also do, let's say in case you see update, click on it and then update it, right? So now there are certain things that we have to also do. Let's go to settings and go to general. Click on general, and then here so here you can also change the site title here, right? The site title, this one, what you see at the top here, or here, you can also change it here. So here I want to bring a space here, so Noka Digital's web training, and then let me say the best, okay, best web agency in Ghana. You can also change the tagline, and here if you have your site icon, you can insert it here, okay, but we'll do that later. So when you click on this, when you click on choose, then you go and look for your site icon, right? Let me see if I can. Okay, let me use this one, and then click on open. Okay, so now I can set it as my site icon. So when you look at here, this is the site icon. Here is what you see, the WordPress logo over there. This one, this is the site icon. So when I update it, it will change, right? Okay, so I'll click on crop to continue. Now our site icon has been changed, and then now when you click on, you scroll down, let me see first if you can do another change here. Okay, so scroll down and click on save. So now when I refresh this page again, you see that the site icon will also change to the one that I've used. You see it has also changed, right? The another, let's go to ratings. Under the settings, we are still on the settings. Let me see. No, let's move on to readings. Okay, so later we come to this and then work on that. Okay, let's move to permalinks and do some settings over there. So you see that we the default is what day and what name. We don't want it, so always select what post name. That's what we want to see. Always use what post name for your website, and then you click on save change. now let's go to the dashboard again. Let's go to the dashboard. So as time goes on, I will be taking you through what's the use of all this, right? Okay, so first we have to know the theme. So to get the theme for your website, now this is the theme that we have. The theme that has been installed is what we are seeing here. So when we change the theme, you see, and then we refresh this page, you see that the page here, this one was what changed, right? Okay, so let's go to appearance and then click on theme. Later I will explain to you what a theme is. So now we have the 2025 theme. This is the default one that we have. When I select this one, when I activate the 2024, when I activate the 2024 and then refresh the page, you will see that it will also what change. Have you seen? Okay. Or when I go in for this one, let me activate this one also, the 2023. And then let me refresh it again. So you see, so this is the theme for the website that we are going to create. Okay, so I would like to end here, but before I go, it seems I'm going too fast or too far. We have to learn it bit by bit. So let me do one or two things, then we go. So now we are not going to use any of these what we call themes. So click here to add new theme. Click on add new theme, and then you have a lot of themes here. So the one that we are going to use for this training is Astra. Click on it, and then activate it. Okay, so now click on this one because we will be installing this template. So let's get started with starter template. So click on it to install and activate the starter template for you. Okay, so later we come back to this side. So let's click on exit to dashboard. So we click on this to exit to the dashboard, and now let's install one plugin. So click on under the appearance, go to plugins, and then click on add new plugins. So the plugin that we are going to install is what? Elementor. That is what we are going to use to build our website, and it will help us to do that very easy. Elementor. So you search for Elementor and then install it. You install and activate. So click on activate. Good. So now these are all not needed. Let's delete them. Let's delete these two. We are going to leave only this to the Elementor and then the starter template. So under bulk action, click on it and then click delete, and then apply, and click on OK here. Okay, so now let's do one thing on that, on the theme, and then we will end here and continue in our next tutorials. So all these themes are not needed, so let's delete them. We don't need them, so click on it and then click on delete. Okay, so click on this one also, click on delete and click on OK. Then the last one, click on delete. Okay, so we will be left with the Astra, the one that we have installed. That is what we are going to use. We will be using AI to create a website in just a few minutes in our next tutorials. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do so. Hit the like button, share also for others people to also have a look at what we do. This training is brought to you by Noka Digitals, and my name is Isaac Owari. See you in our next tutorials. Bye bye.